It's a beautiful day, and that means we are headed to Dollar Tree to find new items to craft with. And I ran into these extra large canvases. My friends, these are huge. They're 16 by 20, and they come two in a pack for $5 at the Dollar Tree Plus. Love, love, love this find. I'm going to use one for this first project. I'm going to flip it on its back. And today I am partnering with Cricut, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make this into a beautiful sign. I'm going to tell you so much more about Cricut and all of their supplies, but I'm going to head on to my phone. So I am going to make every design for today using my cell phone. And I'm going to go on Cricut Design Space, which is their software. And let me tell you, it's completely free to use. And they have tons of designs. I just search for the phrase that I want to use on my design, and then just pick the one I like the most. And it's so easy because it's already designed for you. All you have to do is just pick the one, put it on the canvas. Some of them are free. Some of them is a small, very fee, but you can use them over and over again, even if you buy them. And the beautiful thing is that you can just switch the size to whatever design you want according to where you're going to place it. So all I did is just change the sign, send it to my Cricut Maker 3, and then I'm just going to put some of the Cricut vinyl. They have all kinds of vinyls, designs and colors, and oh my gosh, you name it. I'm going to place the size that I need, place it on my Cricut, push the buttons, and that's it. It's so simple and so quick and easy to use. The machine really does all for you. You can go finish cooking or do whatever you need to do, and then once it's done, it'll stop automatically. You just have to come back and just release it. Among all the supplies that you can find at Cricut.com, you can also find tools that you need, like for weeding. So weeding is just a matter of just removing the excess design or removing the sign if you want to use it as a stencil, which is what I'm going to do for this first design. I'm just going to remove the actual design, place some transfer tape right over it, and then we're going to remove the back paper from it and reveal the stencil. And we're just going to place it on the back side of the canvas, as I mentioned. And that is completely optional. Again, you can do it on the front side of the canvas. This is just something that I wanted to do. Now, all these projects that I want to work on today are about 10 minutes or less. Now, this one took a little bit longer than 10, not too much, but that's because I decided to add some extra steps. But they're all going to be nice and quick. So I am going to just use different colors, a little bit of greens, a little bit of blues, some orange and yellows. Now I'm going to remove the vinyl now, and I realized I didn't color my yellow leaf. So I stopped, colored it, and then continued to remove the vinyl and just basically remove everything from it. And look how stunning it already looks. So this is a reverse canvas. What that means is we're going to use the actual frame of the canvas as a frame of the picture. And you're going to see what I'm doing. Now, you can skip this part. Okay, don't do as I do. I thought for some reason it was going to be better if I just use some thumbtacks in each corner to hold it in place. It really did not matter. But I'm just still going to show you what I did. Then I'm going to use an X-Acto knife, and it's going to be a very sharp one, and just cut off the design or the canvas from it. And then I'm just going to take a small little screwdriver and just remove the staples. Honestly, this is the part that took the longest, and that's just by choice. I could have done it in the front of the canvas. I just wanted to do something new and different. But once everything was removed, I am going to remove the excess canvas and then remove the thumbtacks that shouldn't be there anyways. When I remove the canvas, there is such a beautiful beveled style design on the frame. I loved it. So I'm going to staple it, and I'm going to staple it on the side that the staples were already on, okay? And I'm just going to staple it each corner first and then just add staples here and there. I'm not looking for it to be extremely tight because it's not a heavy canvas. And once I staple it, that's it. Such an easy project. I'm telling you, I love this one, and the canvas is so large. It looks like something you would have purchased at Hobby Lobby or Home Goods. Beautiful. But what do you think? For the next Dollar Tree DIY craft, I'm going to go straight to the Cricut Design Space and search the word fall on their images. And basically all kinds of designs already popped up. It's so fun. You don't have to do any work. And then I'm just going to size it to the size that I need according to where we're going to put it. And I'll show you here in a minute. I changed the color to black because I don't need it to be in color, and make the machine cut it. That's it. I'm going to weed it out, and then I'm going to place some transfer tape right over it, and then we're going to place it in this cute little framed frame that I found at Dollar Tree for $1.25. It's beautiful as is. You can paint it if you want. I love, love, love the way it looked. So I'm going to take the middle portion out. I'm going to use it to trace it on this wood veneer from Cricut. They have cardstock. They have more than just vinyl. They have all kinds of supplies. And again, go down in the description box and check out the link, and you can find all kinds of supplies and crafting items. All right, so now that I have a veneer cut to the size that I need, I'm going to place, again, that transfer tape, and I'm going to place it right in the center of the veneer. That easy. And then once I have it attached, I'm going to place the veneer right on the same cardboard that already came with it. I'm just going to hot glue it in place and place it back on the frame. My friends, if you have not joined my email list, I would love for you to consider doing so. I email only once a week, and it's just basically uploads as well as any new news from my channel and my business. So if you want to check it out, it is linked below. All right, so now that I have everything put together, I'm just going to hot glue a few little leaves here and there and a flower. You can skip this, okay? If you're not a flower kind of person, skip it and just use the little frame wherever you want in your home. You can use it at a console table, a fireplace. You can hang it on a doorknob. I think it would be gorgeous anywhere in your home. What do you think of this one? Let me know. For the next DIY craft for fall, I'm going to take this cutting board that I found at Dollar General. It was monogrammed with a W in the front. And so I'm just going to flip it to the opposite side. Why not? It was on sale, 50% off, so I got it for $3 instead of $6. I found this design on Cricut Designs page. Gorgeous, and it's so me. All right, you're going to start seeing. And basically, I just use different vinyl colors for the different designs, and you send it the same way to your cutting machine, and it'll cut it for you. This will be a perfect project if you have the Cricut Joy, because it's such a small, same as the last project actually. Anyways, so I'm just going to start placing each piece one by one. It's almost like painting by colors, which I really enjoy. Like a puzzle that you're putting together. It's really fun. And I use some fun colors, and I just think it turned out gorgeous. And we're just about done with this one. This one was such a quick one. I didn't have to do anything to the cutting board. Although you can paint it, I just thought it looked really good the way it was. And the design was already made. I just had to send it to the machine and cut it. And look how gorgeous this looks. It's so me. I'm such a fall kind of girl. What about you? For the next Dollar Tree DIY craft, I'm going to take this pumpkin garland that I found. It's like a banner that I found at Dollar Tree, and it was in their Dollar Tree Plus section. It's a whole bunch of them, and I think it was like $3. Really inexpensive. I'm going to take 4 little pumpkins and remove them completely, including the stem. Then I found this design that just said fall. Just the word fall, and I am going to place it right in front of each little pumpkin. So the F, the A, and the double L. Now, I just sized it to the size of the pumpkin. I measured the pumpkin, and they're about 1 inch by about a ½ inch, give or take. Perfect for this cute little letters, so I'm just going to place one in front of each. These are made out of foam, so I'm going to place a lot of florals right on top of each little foam pumpkin and create a fall cute little design with florals. If you have not checked out my online course, I would love for you to consider doing so, and I have the link down below in the description box. It's all about how to introduce power tools into your crafting. So if you're learning, or if you're wanting to learn a new skill, or if you're thinking about starting to use power tools, check it out. Again, it is linked below. We are just about done with this one. Such an easy one. I try to put the flowers where they complement each other, but they're not exactly the same design. Tell me this is not the cutest little thing. I love the way it turned out. You can put this anywhere in your home. But what do you think of this one? And I would love to know which one is your favorite. Let me know down in the comments. Thank you, Cricut, for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to check out all of their awesome machines and supplies in the link down below in the description box. And I have another video here for you to watch with tons more of Dollar Tree DIY fall crafts inspiration. Click on it. I'll see you later and have a blessed day. Bye.